Hi everyone, welcome back to Baby Steps to Your Best Life Yet, a 21-day cleaning challenge where we are going to be building some simple cleaning habits into a daily routine designed to help you get your home clean, clear and under control in 21 days. If you're new here, be sure to check out the link in the description of the video that I've posted explaining the 21-day challenge, along with the videos that I've uploaded each day showing how I tackle each of those daily cleaning tasks. Hey guys, so today we are up to day 11 and we are doing a fridge declutter. Now I have broken this task down into two sections, into a fridge declutter and then a fridge clean out, because I know some people's fridges can be a little bit overwhelming. So by the end of this, hopefully you'll have a spick and span fridge that you can easily maintain week to week. But for today, all we are doing is doing a little fridge declutter. So that's going through, getting out any expired items, anything that you can use up maybe over the weekend. If you have any empty fridge organization bins, maybe you could give those a wash out ready for tomorrow. If you've got anything that has got next to nothing in it, like my beautiful son has left the cold brew iced coffee with like half a sip left in the bottom, maybe take that out, do what you can with it, and then just go through and just give everything like a nice organize. If you do want to go ahead and do your whole fridge today, then of course you can go ahead and do it. But if you are looking to keep it within that manageable time frame of 20 to 21 minutes, like we are aiming to keep all these tasks, then just go ahead and declutter it today, get as much done ready for a wipe down and a clean out tomorrow. Now, fortunately, I didn't have too much stuff that I had to throw out. I had some grapes that had seen better days, so I picked out the good ones and tossed the rest. There was just some fruit and some random vanilla custard pudding type thing that I made that has just gone past its good date. So tossing those things, and then like I said, if there's any empty fridge containers, just get those cleaned out and ready for, giving your fridge a more detailed clean tomorrow.
You call me a saint, but you know I'm a stranger, all willing and able to do what you want. You think I'm a thinker, but I'm just a singer, all busy and pretty, just making believe. Boy, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling down to obscurity, don't let me ever be this alone. I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling. Shouldn't be trusting me, I could be making it all up, you know. I control, you don't know that I'm playing to myself.
Ready to go. Are you hearing the ice? Look at this. Thanks a lot, mate, for leaving Mum next to no bloody iced coffee. Goodness gracious. Who raised you, child?
Oh, you look worried, and maybe you should be, 'cause this is a warning that I'm throwing out, 'cause I'm the worst player that ever will play you, to mix the sweet words with the girl's sanity. Boy, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling, I'm falling down to obscurity, don't let me ever be this alone.
I get so many questions about these. These are just basic placemats from IKEA. I think they were like 49 cents each. I've had them for, I'm going to say like 8, 9, 10 years maybe. And I just use them, obviously, as you can see, to line the shelves of the fridge. They do have them still in stock, just not in this pattern. I think at the moment they've got like a black and white stripe set. But it's usually something that is consistently in stock. Touch wood, IKEA is infamous for discontinuing everything I recommend. But they're just really so simple for keeping in and being able to like maintain the fridge in a really nice clean way. And then if you do have any spills, you can just pull these out and you don't have to like pull out all the shelves in your fridge. So I'm curious, which day do you do your grocery shopping? Do you have like a set day? My day is Monday because I meal prep for Monday. I have my boys every second week, and lately they've been coming home on Monday. So from Monday all through the school week, Saturday, Sunday, and then on the following Monday, they'll go to their dad's. Sometimes people have like Friday to Friday. But for me, it was just better to try the Monday to Monday. That way you've got a full school week from Monday to Friday. So within that school week, all the homework can get done and all of the school projects can get done. So you're not having, your kids come back on Friday with their homework due, maybe on Monday, nothing's done. So you've got to spend your whole week catching up on kids' homework. This way it's Monday to Monday. Works out well, and we have like the start of the week when all of the food comes in. It is like Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday of just like really good home cooked meals. It's really easy to meal prep everything up from Monday to Thursday. And then kind of Friday, Saturday, Sunday, it's more of our fun eating times. We'll either do like takeaway or, just go to the store or the markets or something, get the ingredients that we need, and then come back and cook it for that day. But meal prepping on Mondays has really worked a treat for our family. Feel free to leave it here if you are happy just to split this fridge clean out across 2 days and pick it up again tomorrow with spending another 20 to 21 minutes giving your fridge a nice wipe down. So guys, that is it for today's challenge. If you're enjoying this series so far, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. I will leave a link in the description for the video I filmed explaining the 21-day challenge, along with all of the videos that I've uploaded, one per day so far, showing you how I've completed all the tasks as well. If you want to follow along in real time and see how I keep up to date with all my cleaning, come over to Instagram, where I usually just put some little clips up every day of what I'm cleaning or what I'm organizing or what I'm doing behind the scenes, and you can follow along there. Have a fabulous day, and I will see you tomorrow for another cleaning challenge. Bye everyone.